Welcome to the best picks. The best Traxxas Slash 2WD transmission is probably one of the most important components in your RC truck, impacting speed, handling, and overall performance. This video will provide an in-depth look at this crucial system, covering its design, functionality, common issues, and maintenance tips to help you get the most out of your Traxxas Slash 2WD. We'll explore the internal workings, gear ratios, and how to identify and fix potential problems, ensuring smooth and reliable operation for countless hours of thrilling RC adventures. Number 5. Traxxas 2388X Gear Diff. This planetary gear differential is a must-have for your Traxxas vehicle. It's built to last and will keep your ride running smoothly. It features a durable steel ring gear, ensuring long-lasting performance even under tough conditions. This is a key component for reliable operation. This is a complete assembly, making installation quick and easy. No need to source individual parts, everything you need is included. It's designed as a direct replacement for your worn-out or damaged differential. It fits Bandit, Stampede, and Rustler models. Don't let a worn-out differential slow you down. Upgrade your Traxxas with this high-quality replacement today and experience the difference. What we like. It's a complete replacement, perfect if your current one is damaged. This ensures a smooth, reliable fit for your vehicle. If you need a simple, direct replacement for your Bandit, Stampede, or Rustler, this is the one for you. What people say. If you have an older Rustler XL5, you may not have a metal gear on the outside of your diff. In which case, the idler gear is nylon as well. You might find this out quickly if you upgrade to VXL. It will tear those nylon pieces apart. I had upgraded to metal, but after about 6 years of use and several times rebuilding and re-greasing my transmission and diff, I finally bought this replacement. It is the whole thing. It even came with a tube of silicone grease. Which isn't in the picture. Don't tighten the screws very tight, it won't turn right if you do. Just get them flush with the plastic. Durable, very free, consistent. There's no adjustment for it really, so you'll be tuning around it. For less downtime and consistency you can't best it. I've had it in this beast for S year. I did put a whole new one in when I went to an aluminum trans case, didn't need to at all. 3660-3300 kV, 11.13S 100 cm 1 gears 1442, on road mostly with no slipper. Never a problem. Instructions were great. Easy to assemble, just be sure the cover plate seats. You'll feel and hear a soft click, then install screws. Use the supplied grease. Number 4. Proline Pro Series 32P Transmission. This transmission is designed for superior performance and durability. It's perfect for upgrading your electric car or truck. It features a tunable seal differential for optimal control and handling. You'll experience smoother, more precise driving. The updated slipper system is preset for racing and easily adjustable. Fine-tune it for the perfect launch every time. The robust 3mm thick aluminum motor plate provides superior strength and stability. It ensures reliable power transfer under demanding conditions. It spins on huge 10 by 16 by 5 mm ball bearings. These bearings provide incredible load capacity for extended use and performance. It's compatible with a variety of vehicles. This includes the Slash 2WD, Electric Stampede 2WD, Electric Rustler 2WD, and Bandit. What we like. This transmission offers a great deal of adjustability. You can fine-tune the slipper system for optimal traction. If you are looking for a highly customizable and durable option for your Slash, Stampede, Rustler, or Bandit, this is a great choice. What people say. It stood up to the Castle Creations 6400K on blacktop. Very durable transmission for a brushless 2WD Slash. Broke my stock trans 2 days after swapping to a Castle Creations Sidewinder for combo and bought this transmission and am more than satisfied. I run paddle tires hard and have had no problems in 2 months. Way better than stock, feels like the definition of quality with its race slipper clutch, tunable differential, hardened steel gears, and oversized bearings. It's great on 3s and can handle 4s. Number 3. Traxxas 2WD Transmission Kit. Upgrade your Traxxas Slash, Stampede, or Rustler with this complete transmission kit. It's designed for both brushless and brushed motors, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. This kit includes all the parts you need for a complete transmission rebuild. No more hunting for individual components, everything is right here. The heart of this kit is the robust 272 Magnum transmission. It's built to withstand the toughest conditions and deliver peak performance. It features an integrated slipper clutch for optimal acceleration and protection against shock loads. This helps extend the life of your drivetrain. Installation is straightforward, even for beginners. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. Whether you're running a powerful brushless motor or a reliable brushed motor, this transmission is compatible and ready to perform. Get ready to experience improved performance and reliability. This kit will take your driving experience to the next level. What we like. It's a complete transmission, ready to install. This saves you time and effort during assembly. If you need a quick and easy replacement for your Slash, Stampede, or Rustler, this is a great option. What people say. Fits very good so far, performance is good. Worked out great, easy to hook up. Just like brand new. Number 2. Traxxas Magnum 272R transmission. Get ready to experience superior strength and performance. This transmission is built to withstand even the toughest conditions. Its rugged, reinforced case precisely seals out dirt and debris, creating a rigid structure for optimal support. It boasts high-strength steel input, idler, and differential gears for massive torque and incredible power handling. The keyed and press-fit input gear ensures greater precision and strength compared to a pin-mounted gear. The heavy-duty steel gear differential is X-ring and gasket sealed and filled with grease for all-around performance. You can easily tune the locking action. With its easily removable differential, maintenance and tuning are a breeze. Simply disconnect the driveshafts and open the hatch. What we like. This transmission is built to withstand extreme torque. The sealed case keeps out dirt and debris, and the easily removable differential makes maintenance a breeze. If you need a durable and easily maintainable transmission for your vehicle, this is the one for you. What people say. It's smoother and faster for sure. Very durable and seems to handle the brushless setup better. Great upgrade for my 2WD Stampede, this transmission is so smooth and so quiet. Number 1. Traxxas 3695 transmission. This is the Traxxas 3695 transmission, a complete replacement transmission for your 110 scale 2WD Traxxas vehicle. It's designed for a smooth, reliable performance. It seamlessly fits various 110 scale 2WD Traxxas models, including the Rustler, Bandit, Stampede, and Slash. Upgrade your vehicle's drivetrain with ease. This transmission is built for superior performance and durability. Experience smoother shifting and enhanced power transfer. Installation is straightforward, making it a simple upgrade for even novice hobbyists. Get back to enjoying your vehicle quickly. As a genuine Traxxas part, it meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's built to last. Don't wait. Upgrade your Traxxas vehicle with this high-quality transmission and experience the difference. Order yours now. What we like. It's a complete transmission assembly, ready to install. It's compatible with several popular models. If you need a simple and direct replacement for your 110 scale 2WD vehicle, this is a great option. What people say. Excellent replacement. If you do not have the know-how to rebuild a blown transmission, this is literally plug and play, swap it out and run. I upgraded to metal spur gears and it rips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.